Hello everyone, welcome to Tech Solutions. New at our channel? Please subscribe to be a part of us. Let's dig in. Do you want to install Wine on your Ubuntu 21.04? Do you want to run Windows apps on your Linux distro? This video is for you. Let's install Wine. Open Terminal app on your Ubuntu Linux. Get into root mode with sudo su. You must have root password for this. You must add i386 32-bit architecture support on your Ubuntu Linux if you are using a 64-bit operating system. Download and add the WineHQ key on your Ubuntu. Clear the terminal screen. Get the Wine key. Add the Wine repository on your Linux as shown. Hit enter to continue adding. This may take a while. Clear the screen again. Use the sudo apt install command to install Wine on your Linux. You must allow with hitting Y to continue installing Wine. Downloading and installing may take a while. It's finished. Let's check Wine installed version with Wine version command. Congratulations! You have successfully installed Wine on your Ubuntu Linux distro. Enjoy Windows apps on your Linux.